Want to learn how professionals clean a bathroom in under 30 minutes without cutting corners? In this video, we'll walk you through the exact steps our cleaning team uses to deliver sparkling results fast. First, prep the space. Remove all items from counters and floors. Spray down high-touch areas like the toilet, sink, and shower with disinfectant and let it sit. This dwell time helps kill germs while you prep the rest. While the disinfectant is working, dust top to bottom starting with light fixtures, vents, and shelves. Dried asks come first so you don't stir dust onto freshly cleaned surfaces. Now scrub. Start with the shower and tub, then the sink and faucet, and finally the toilet inside and out. Use a dedicated toilet brush and separate cloths for hygiene. Don't forget to wipe down the mirror with a glass cleaner for a streak-free shine. Once surfaces are sparkling, clean the floors, sweep or vacuum first, then mop your way out of the room, leaving it spotless and streak-free. Replace items, straighten towels, empty the trash, and add a light scent if desired. These finishing touches leave a polished hotel-like feel. That's how we professionally clean a bathroom in under 30 minutes every single time. Want more pro cleaning tips? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the full checklist in the description.